guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back today with another review. So Nabla Cosmetics just recently came out with their Mystic collection. I have the whole entire collection here, their lippies, highlighter, and the actual eyeshadow palette, which is the Dreamy 2 eyeshadow palette. I've been so excited to review this for you guys, especially since Nabla is so much more easily accessible now. You can find them at Ulta and you can find them in the Morphe stores, which is great for us Canadians because we can easily shop their brand now. And it makes me even more excited to review these products for you since you guys can easily find them, you know what I mean? Now this video is not sponsored, so I'm gonna be giving you guys my honest thoughts on the collection. I've literally haven't touched it since it came in PR because I wanted to review it with you guys here and give you guys my first impressions. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these products because Nabla never disappoints when it comes to like packaging. Like look at this guys, this is only just holding the palette itself. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see, but I mean, and then right here we have all the lippy products as well as a highlighter palette. So yeah, I'm so ready to get into these products, so let's get started. Yeah, we're first gonna start off with the Dreamy 2 palette. This is what it looks like, guys. So pretty, as you can see. Look at how gorgeous that packaging is. So pretty. And this is what the shades look like in the inside. Very, very beautiful. We have some really great transition colors, which I'm really happy about, as well as some beautiful and rich shimmer shades. So I'm gonna start off by building our transition color, and I'm gonna go in with this light brown shade right here, and it's called Deja Vu, and I'm just gonna start working that onto my lid. And then now to warm up the crease, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful shade right over here, and it's called New Pass. I'm already so obsessed with this shade New Path. Like I can already tell I'm gonna be using that shade a lot, even like just all over the lid. It's just such a beautiful shade. So now I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that I used for the shade Deja Vu, and I'm just gonna blend everything out so that it's nice and neat and that we don't have any harsh lines. Okay guys, so now it's time to start packing in a shimmer shade, and I'm just so confused because there's so many pretty shades in the palette. I'm just staring at it like,
so I am confusion.
What color scheme do I go for? So I'm gonna start off by going in with a golden shade, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. I believe you pronounce it as Oniric, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack that on with my Nabla soft dab and smudge brush. And then all I went ahead and did is just cleaned up my lid a little bit so that the colors pop more, you know, when I apply it on. And I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of this shade as well right over here, and it's called Libertine, and I'm gonna start just packing that on top just to make it a little more brighter. Yeah, I think I like that more. It's a little more vibrant. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other eye as well. Now you guys know me and you know how much I love to have my eyeshadow look to somehow match my hijab. It just is inevitable. It always happens, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of always here for it. So I'm gonna continue those vibes, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Rem, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to blend that in slightly into the golden shade that we created on our lid and kind of like smoke it in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up some of that and start to pack it in. Yes, I'm actually so here for that. I think that looks really cute. So now I'm gonna smoke it out even more, intensify it, make it more of a darker vibe by going in with this shade right over here. As you guys can see, it's the darkest shade in the palette, and this is called Offline. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of Offline and start to blend it into this beautiful blue shade that we have here and really help smoke it out. And now what I'm going ahead and doing is just taking that shade Offline that we used on the outer corner and just intensifying our crease as well, and just creating a very sharp eye look, you know what I mean? By literally just going right over the gold shade, and then I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used for my crease and just blend it out. Okay, so that is how the eyes are looking right now. I feel like it looks so bomb. So I'm gonna go into the rest of my face makeup now. Now to start off with primer, I'm gonna be going in with this oil from Colourpop because my skin has been a little bit more on the drier side and I need as much hydration as possible, okay? I need all the help I can get. So I'm gonna go in with this. I've never tried this before and this is like one of those sister brands under Colourpop and it's Fourth Ray Beauty's Strawberry Seed Oil. It smells really, really good, so I'm excited to try it as a primer today. I love using oils as primers on the days that my skin is very dry. It just is so helpful and it helps my foundation look really, really good. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells amazing. And I like it. It's not too greasy. It's not too greasy at all. It's just the perfect amount of hydration. Not mad at it. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation and this is in the shade 370. I just love this foundation so much. It's literally a perfect shade match and it just helps give me the perfect amount of coverage. And I really want a full coverage but hydrating foundation today especially. So I'm just gonna go in with some of that and start to blend it out with my Fenty Beauty sponge as well. So now for concealer, I'm gonna be going in with Nabla's concealer and this is their Close-Up Stay Full Smooth Concealer and I'm gonna take the shade Amber. I think this should be a good shade match. I really do love their concealer. Their coverage is actually really good, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead with some of that. Like, look at that coverage, guys. It's very, very full. I actually forgot how much I love this concealer. Covered my dark circles fully, which I'm so here for. And it blends into your foundation so nicely. It's not a drying concealer, which is really important for me since I do have a dry skin type, you know? You know how I live by my Too Faced concealer. This is a really good contender, guys. The coverage is amazing and it's super hydrating, so don't sleep on Nabla's concealer. That's all I gotta say. Thank me later. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just gonna start to pack some on. Gonna make sure I have no creasing first though, because if you set your eyes with some creasing in it, guys, you can't go back and your under eyes will be a hot mess. So make sure you blend out your under eyes first. And then I'm also gonna set around my smile lines because that is where my foundation tends to crease the most as well. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe everything away because I don't like it to set too much into my skin because then I'll get like really dry, you know what I mean? So I just set and wipe away. So now I'm gonna be going in with some bronzer and today I'm actually gonna use a new bronzer. I've never tried this one before. It's by Benefit. This is their Ola Toasted Bronzer and it's in the shade Deep. So I'm gonna go ahead with some of that. I'm so curious to see how this bronzer looks on my skin tone. Okay, this bronzer is actually so pretty and it blended so well. So now I'm gonna go in with some highlight. And the great thing is this collection comes with a beautiful highlight palette. This is Nabla's Glimmer Light Multi-Reflective Illuminating Palette. So this is what it looks like, guys. As you can see, super, super pretty. Now that I'm looking at it, I probably will have to use one of these shades as like a blush. So for our highlight, instead, I'm gonna go ahead and mix two of their Skin Glazing Glow Powder highlights. And I'm gonna take the shade Lucent Jungle as well as this shade Ozone. Just because Ozone on itself, I kind of feel like it looks a little ashy on me. But if I mix it with Lucent Jungle, which is very bronze, it helps create the perfect golden highlight for my skin tone. And I'm gonna take it and pick it up with my Nabla highlighting brush. I love this brush. It's actually such a great brush to use for highlight. I'm gonna start off with the more bronzy shade, Lucent Jungle, and just start packing that in. And then now I'm gonna go ahead with some of Ozone. See, together I feel like that creates the cutest highlight. I love mixing those two shades together. And then now for blush, I'm gonna be taking this darker pink shade right here and it's called Reborn. So now it's time to go in with a lip product, which I'm super excited about because we have so many different options here that comes with the collection. These are all liquid lipstick formulas. I feel like I really want to go with a nice nude lip just because I feel like that would go with the look that we have going on right now. So I'm gonna go in with my Kaja Beauty lip liner and lipstick duo first, just to use it as a lip liner because I kind of feel like these nude shades will need a lip liner because they look a little bright. So I'm gonna go in with some of this first, and I'm using the lipstick end as my lip liner. And now I'm gonna go in with Nabla's liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna take the shade Hedonist. I feel like this will be the perfect nude. And that's what it looks like. I feel like that created the perfect nude, right guys? I'm so here for it. Love this combo. So now it is time for some lashes. I just went ahead and applied some mascara using this mascara from Nabla. And this is their Major Pleasure mascara. So I just went ahead and applied some of that. So now it's time for lashes, and I'm super excited to give these lashes a try. It's my first time trying out these lashes, and I really wanted to save them for a YouTube video just because I feel like they're just so beautiful, and I wanted to use it not only for Instagram but also in a YouTube video so you guys can really get an idea of what the lashes look like on. And these lashes are by Sansa Beauty. I'm so excited to give this a try and introduce you guys to this brand because it's actually a Canadian owned brand started here in the GTA. These lashes were created by a very amazing influencer by the name Sana Zaid. What's really great about these lashes is that not only are they a Canadian owned brand named with all different cool names that represent Toronto. Like these lashes are named Drizzy. I have a pair of lashes named Double Double, and I know she has a pair of lashes called the North, the Six. So it's all heavily Toronto inspired, which is so cool. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw me go to her amazing launch party. Like it was incredible, guys. The details, everything, the decor, her dress, she slayed, period. Okay, so I'm so excited to be introducing these lashes to you guys. And if you're in the GTA, you've probably already heard of her, probably already seen her because you know she's killing the game right now. So I'm gonna be trying her lashes in the style Drizzy today. And what I really love about these lashes is that not only are they made here in Canada, these are handmade 3D mink lashes, and they're cruelty free, guys. Okay, so everybody can literally wear this and feel amazing in them. The fact that it's cruelty free is amazing for a startup company. I think she literally checked every single box with these lashes. All right guys, so I just went ahead and plopped on my lashes, and how beautiful are they? These are in the style Drizzy. I'm so impressed with the quality. I just keep looking in the mirror, like I'm genuinely shook at how beautiful these lashes look, especially for such a new brand. I'm definitely going to have to restock on these lashes myself because I'm genuinely so shook. Like they look so pretty. Sana sis, you really did that. Make sure you guys go ahead and support a Canadian owned business, a woman owned business, a woman of color owned business. Okay, so make sure you guys go ahead and check it out because I really think these lashes, when you guys actually try them on, like look at how beautiful these are. These are a game changer. All right guys, so this is the final result. I'm really loving how this look turned out. I feel like the lashes are beautiful. This whole Mystic collection from Nabla Cosmetics is beautiful. I'm really surprised about the liquid lipstick formula though. Like it gives me more gloss vibes, but I'm not mad at it because I've been really loving a good hydrating lipstick. So I'm here for it either way. It's just it always catches me off guard because every time you get liquid lipstick formula, you always think it's gonna be matte, but to have it be a hydrating formula is really like something else. But I'm so here for it. So yeah, that brings me to the end of this review. Overall, I give this collection a 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend that you guys go ahead and check out Nabla Cosmetics. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the family, and turn your bell notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. I upload every Thursday and Sunday for those of you guys who are newer to my channel. And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.